Welcome to the Christmas candy alphabet. Let's learn our ABCs in a world of treats. Yummy! A is for apple, a sweet Christmas candy apple. Crunch. B is for bells, yummy golden jingle bells. Ring, ring. C is for cookie, a yummy Christmas cookie. D is for decoration, a shiny Christmas decoration. Sparkle, sparkle. E is for elf, a funny Christmas elf. Tee-hee. F is for fir tree, a sparkle Christmas tree. Yay! G is for gingerbread, a dancing gingerbread man. Run, run! H is for hot cocoa, yummy warm hot cocoa. Slurp! I is for icicle, a shiny frozen icicle. J is for Jack-in-the-Box, a silly Christmas toy. Boing! K is for king, a brave nutcracker king. Ta-da! L is for lights, twinkly Christmas lights. Blink, blink. M is for milk, yummy milk for Santa. Gulp. N is for nose, a glowing red reindeer nose. Beep, beep. O is for ornament, a shine round Christmas ornament. Ding! P is for present, a surprise Christmas present. Pop! Q is for queen, the sugar plum fairy queen. Twirl! R is for reindeer, a prancing Christmas reindeer. Jingle, jingle! S is for Santa, jolly old Santa Claus. T is for train, a chugging Christmas toy train. Choo-choo! U is for unicorn, a magical Christmas unicorn. Sparkle! V is for village, a yummy gingerbread village. W is for wreath, a round Christmas wreath. Spin! X is for Xmas tree, a yummy cookie Xmas tree. Twinkle! Y is for Yule log, a yummy chocolate Yule log cake. Yum! Z is for zigzag, a zigzag Christmas stocking. Hop. You did it! You learned the whole Christmas alphabet. Merry Christmas, friends! Bye-bye! Welcome to Christmas Candy Numbers. Let's count from 1 to 10 in a world of treats. Yummy! Number 1. 1 Santa Claus. Number 2. 2 marshmallow snowmen. Number 3. 3 gingerbread men. Number 4. 4 Christmas elves. Number 5. 5 golden rings. Ring, ring. Number 6. 6 candy canes. Crunch, crunch. Number 7. 7 meringue swans. Glide, glide. Number 8. 8 maids a milking. Splash, splash. Number 9. 9 ladies dancing. Twirl, twirl. Number 10. 10 nutcrackers leaping. You did it! We counted to 10. Merry Christmas, friends. Bye-bye. Welcome to Christmas candy shapes. Let's find shapes in the candy world. Yummy! Circle. A round Christmas ornament. Round and round. Triangle. A pointy Christmas tree. 1, 2, 3 points. Square. A boxy Christmas present. 4 sides. Star. A shiny Christmas star. Twinkle, twinkle. Rectangle. A long letter to Santa. 2 long sides. You found all the shapes. You are a star. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. Welcome to Christmas Opposites. Let's play a game of opposites. Yay! Closed. The box is closed. Open. Now it is open. Surprise. Big. A big Santa. Small. A tiny small Santa.
Big and small.
Up. Going up the ladder. Down. Sliding down. Up and down. Welcome to Christmas candy colors. Let's paint the holidays. Yummy! White. Fluffy white snowman. Gold. Shiny gold coins. Clink, clink. Red. Bright red holly berries. Very red. Green. Green mistletoe. Kiss, kiss. Blue. Icy blue snowflake. Freeze. You learned the Christmas colors. You are amazing. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. Welcome to Christmas actions. Let's move our bodies. Are you ready? Go! Spin, spin like a peppermint. Round and round. Whoa, dizzy. Dance, dance like a gingerbread man. Wiggle and shake. Dance party. Jump, jump like a jelly bean. Jump up high. Jump, jump, jump. Woo! Great moving, friends. You have so much energy. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.